Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we're tackling how to transfer ETH to stake US in 2025. If you're looking to grow your Ethereum holdings through staking, you're in the right place. Staking ETH can earn you rewards, but with the evolving crypto landscape in 2025, it's crucial to do it right. Let's break this down step by step so you can get started quickly and safely. First off, what's the deal with ETH and staking? Ethereum, or ETH, is the second largest cryptocurrency, and staking it means locking it up to support the network and earn interest. In 2025, platforms like those in the US might have new regulations and features, so always check for updates. Step 1. Make sure you have a secure wallet. I recommend using something like MetaMask or a hardware wallet for better security. Download and set it up if you haven't already. Step 2. Acquire your ETH. You can buy it on exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. Once you have it, transfer it to your wallet for control. Now, for the main event, transferring ETH to stake. Head to a reputable staking platform, such as those compliant with US regulations, like Lido or Rocket Pool. Connect your wallet, select the amount of ETH you want to stake, and confirm the transaction. Remember, gas fees might apply, so keep an eye on Ethereum network costs in 2025. After transferring, your ETH will be staked, and you'll start earning rewards. Monitor your staking dashboard regularly for any updates or withdrawals. Pro tip: only stake what you can afford to lock up, as crypto is volatile. Wrapping this up, transferring and staking ETH in 2025 is a smart move for passive income, but always prioritize security and stay informed about regulations. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's grow those portfolios together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.